Hey, what's up you guys? It's J Bunny and welcome back to my channel. What's up?
Yo, pick up the phone. What's up? What's up?
Today I wanted to do a quick Shein unboxing. I just tore the package open and then I was like, hold up, let me just film this for my YouTube people out there so that I can get some fun, girly content out. I know you guys love shopping. If you're not already subscribed to the channel and you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now before we get into the rest of the video. If you're already a part of the subscriber fam at the It's J Bunny channel, thank you so much for coming back for another video. Okay, you guys, so like I was saying, I'm getting like off track over here. Duh. Yeah, I just got this haul in from Shein. It's a size XL haul from Shein. I got this stuff mainly because I'm going back into the office in like 2 weeks.
I'm gonna need you to go ahead and come in tomorrow. So if you could be here around 9, that would be great, okay?
And I want to have a couple new things hopefully to wear to the office. It's casual at my office, but you can't wear like ripped jeans. I definitely needed a couple new items to sprinkle into my wardrobe. I had like $1,000 worth of items in my Shein cart and I picked out just these ones, trying to stay focused.
God damn it.
You have to focus, Trinity.
On work appropriate attire. Smash the thumbs up button if you're still watching. It really helps to support the video, and let's get straight into the haul. Here's everything I got. It was about $100 worth of items. I'll throw up the price right over here on the screen for each item, and I'll try and like link it down below for you guys if I can. So yeah, check out the description below for more. This is the first item. This is an oversized Miami tee. I absolutely loved the colors. It gives me like that boyish look, but keeping with this cute color palette, it's definitely like a girly look. This is size XL. It's oversized, so it's very big, but I absolutely love it. And yeah, you guys, I can't wait to rock this one for sure. This is a keeper. Let's open this one next. It's another shirt. I love these bright colors. Ooh, cute. This is a shorter style shirt. You can see it lands right above the jean line. And it has this cute V-neck accent at the top and these little ruffled sleeves over here on the side. And I cannot wait to wear this one. This one is also a keeper, 2 for 2. The next thing I got were some jeans. These are black jeans. They have this cool design supposedly. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. I love these. And you know, I always try and analyze the Shein photos for jeans that are actually jean denim material, like a good one that's not going to be so thin and look like a legging, because that's not appropriate to be wearing to work. So these ones are, I scored, I analyzed, I found these. Love the waistline, seems extremely stretchy and has this cute black, dark black paneling against the washed blackout denim accent here on the bottom of the leg and then here on the upper thigh. Okay guys, I'm just going in like whatever order the pile tells me. So next one looks like another shirt. Oh, cute. Another nice stretchy light, nice cotton top. It has these really cute tie-up details on the side, so like, yo, if I'm going out like after work or meeting somebody, I can be wearing it regular like this to work, right? And then like scrunch up the sides. It comes in a lot of different colors, but I just wanted this nice plum color. I love it. Ooh, this was like a last minute pick on my shopping list. It came up in the recommendeds and I thought it looked cute. Oh, it has little holes, so it is see-through. I am gonna need an undershirt, you guys, so definitely note that. But so cute. Another instance where like you could wear it out after work, because you could wear like a black bra or something underneath it and take off your work camisole. So definitely another transitional top. And yeah, it has these nice fluttered short sleeves on the side. So I love this shirt, really nice material. Another nice nude color. Yes, I consider these two like nudes for me. Cute. Cute. This is for those mornings where you know I have to have like my iced coffee. If you guys haven't seen my iced coffee vid, definitely click the card I'm gonna post up here, and I'll put a link down below. Check out that video next. I love it. Anyways, you guys, this is the next t-shirt. It comes in a variety of t-shirt colors, like brown and light brown, but the black is on sale for $5 and change. And yeah, you guys, another super cute tee. This one is more fitted and a shorter cut, so totally different look than the Miami t-shirt, but still a cute, work-friendly graphic print. Okay, you guys, we're down to the last two items. Wait, okay, so this is a shirt. I forgot I ordered this. I thought I ordered a second pair of pants. I'm definitely gonna have to check the receipt on that one. But anyways, you guys, this is a cute long sleeve top. I thought like it can even be layered under a vest. And yeah, once again, it has this ruched side, basic, stretchy, really nice. I really love it. But you know what? I can't get it off my mind. Before we get to that last t-shirt, let me go on my app and like see, did I order a second pair of pants? Yeah, I did. A second pair of jeans. Oh my god, you guys, I think we have a missing item. Ugh. Well, I'll have to check my emails. Anyways, let's move on to the last item of the haul. Sorry I don't have those second pair of jeans to show you guys. Anyways, here is the last shirt. Super cute. Whoa, it is a crop top. I definitely didn't read the description on this one, so this one I'm not going to be wearing to work. But wow, love the cool fabric. It's like a cooling fabric, like sweat wicking almost. So this is going to be really awesome to wear out. I could wear it like one shoulder off, both shoulders on, both shoulders off. It's really stretchy and cute, and it's a crop top, perfect for going out or a nice cute family day at the zoo or something like that. I hope you enjoyed this XL Shein shopping haul, and I'll see you guys back on my next video. Bye guys.